Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying versions. Make sure the Msbuild and NET SDK match the project's target framework, because mismatches cause restore or compile failures. Once done, ensure required workloads are installed using the Visual Studio installer or widget. This supplies missing targets. Next, open an elevated developer command prompt and change directory to the solution root so relative paths resolve correctly. Run .NET info and Msbuild version to confirm. These checks eliminate many common environmental causes. Now you dig into diagnostics. Run Msbuild with diagnostic verbosity or .NET build v, diag to get exact error lines and referenced files. Once you have logs, address package restore problems by checking NuGet sources, clearing caches, and restoring packages. Missing packages often block build targets. If errors cite missing targets or imports, add the needed SDK or correct the Msbuild path. Edit the csproj import to point to existing targets files. Make incremental builds after each change to isolate what fixed it. Finish by cleaning and rebuilding. Delete bin and obj folders, run msbuild/t, clean then msbuild/t, build or .NET build to confirm a fresh build succeeds. Once stable, lock the environment, use global JSON to pin SDK, record the Msbuild path, or adopt a CI container image so others reproduce your setup. If the issue persists, collect diagnostic logs, compare Msbuild version and installed workloads on another machine, and create a minimal repro. Troubleshooting tip: reproduce the error on a clean environment to rule out local corruption.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.